Hello everyone, in this video we're styling up for the command view. So first open app, view, post and show. So let's see the form, this form, and let's make this form work. So I will write from here, form for post, command new, HTML, class, width 100%, remote, true, do, f, n, f, hidden field, user ID, value, current user.id, f, hidden, l, field, host ID, value, host ID, and f, text field, content, class, for control, command, input, border 0, place, holder, command, autocomplete, off. Alright, and we can delete this, delete it. And inside this div, I want to make this div to be unique, so use ID, command form post, and post ID to S, and this we use instant variable, right? Post. Oh yeah, okay, we're good now. Right, and save it. So remember that command is a nested resource of post, right? So when we write like this, form helper will generate a round with post ID before command, and that is exactly what we want. And we have hidden fields, so this will not display on HTML, and this value will be fixed on the HTML code, and user can't change these. So the content and the rest of the content is the command, so user can type in, right? So next, let's customize the command list here. So let's write like this. Oh, actually just delete it. Alright. So we have div with ID, command post, and print out post ID to S. We want to make this unique, so later we'll use Ajax to select this div, and using jQuery to, right here we have post command h do command, this should be this post command, and n div dot margin bottom to rem if command user equal current user. So if this command is belong to currently logged in user, and we will display delete command icon with command path is the command method delete move through class for sprite delete command high text, and here we have n. Alright, and here we span strong and we'll print out command user name and span command content, yeah, right, content, save it. Alright, so I think we're good now. Let's have a test and go to a specific post. Alright, undefined method post. Alright, it's always fail on the first run. Yeah, this should be instant variable. Let's see. Here too, instant variable. Alright, save it. Refresh. Yes. Alright, now let's try to create some commands. Call post. Refresh. Yeah, it's worked now. And you see that our delete icon is not work now. Okay, let's write some CSS. In access, style sheet, application SSZ, and scroll to the bottom and write delete command with 11 pixel. Hey, 11 pixel. Oh, sorry, 11 pixel. And background position is 216 pixel and 2 pixel. Float right. More again. 50010. Save it. Refresh. Yeah, cool. So great. Enter. Refresh. Okay, it's working now. And let's try to delete one. So after this, you click the X icon and you have to manually refresh. Yeah. So our backend is worked now. And later we'll use Ajax to load this manually, so we don't have to refresh by ourselves. So before we do that, we have to make this to partial. So this I will, until end, I will cut it and I'll create a new file. So we have, this is command form, okay, command form, HTML, URB, and we paste the form here. And inside here, we shouldn't use instant variable, right? Because you should not assume that, as I said before, you should not assume that you have instant variable inside a partial. And you should pass variable into here. So let's do it. Render command form. We'll pass it inside post, right? And this too. Cut it. This should be command list, HTML, ERB. Paste. So this too. Move this. Anywhere else? Yeah, we only have this place. So here we use render command list post. Save it. Refresh. And let's say call. Refresh. Alright, we're ready now. So now let's create the GS file, the return GS file. So in view, create new folder, command first, commands, and new file, create.gs.erb. Alright, inside here let's write some GS. Command post and post ID 2s. First we select the post, HTML, G render post, command list, post, instant post, and the second one, command form post, and post ID 2s. We still have to select this form because we want to reset the command content, the input user type the command. We should reset it. We should delete all the value now. Content. Oh well, later you will understand. Value. So using this, we will delete all the value. And oh, sorry. Right, and we have the console log just for testing. Recommend success. Save it. So we have another file. Delete gs. Oh, it's not delete. Alright, you should not wrong. This is destroy, not delete. gs.erb. And we have command post ID dot 2s HTML G render post command list post. We just re-render the whole list after user has deleted. So lock delete command. Success. Save it and test it. Right, now when I type some command, well, cool. And after I click enter, it should post create. After it create a new post, new command, it will reload this command list and delete the command content in here, so people can run again, like cool stuff like this, right? Yeah, cool. So let's make the host list. This post list work too. Alright, this form, delete it, and we use render. Okay, command form and post. This we will use. Alright, we use post. This variable and ID. Don't forget to make this unique. Command form post and post ID 2s. And in where did we list all the command? In here. Oh, sorry. Here. Div command post. Oh, okay. Wait. Tab. Right here. Post ID 2s. Render command list post. Save it. So let's double check. Command post. Okay, I believe that this time will work on the first time. Go to our home page. Alright, our rendering is working. It's a command. Okay, cool. Let's delete one. Okay, that's good. Cool. So that's it for this video. See you guys next time.